How to reset a password on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to reset your password, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this top left corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now over here, tap on this settings and support option. Again, choose settings and privacy. Now select this your account section. In this page, you can see this change your password option. From here, you can reset your password. So tap on this. Once you are in this page, you need to enter the current password of your account. After that, right below that in the new password field, tap on it. Now you can reset your password from here. You can change your password. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. And right below that, you need to reconfirm your new password. Once you are done, you can tap on this update password button. And that's how you can easily reset your password on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.